Thank you, everybody. Happy Monday, coming back from the Thanksgiving weekend. So thank you for joining us for today's webinar. My name is Amy Lam. I'm the Business Development Officer and also a business counselor for Renaissance Economic Development Corporation. I do have a couple of slides that I want to share with all of you. So let me know if you're able to see my screen. Are you able to see the screen right now?
Yep, you're good.
Okay, good. I just want to make sure. Yep. Renaissance is actually a CDFI, registered and certified with the U.S. Treasury, and we've been around since 27 years ago. So we actually very into working with small business in our area, and now we are across the Hudson River. We could actually service everybody in New Jersey this year. So we are very excited. I also have a colleague here joining us today, and I'm going to introduce her a little bit later. There we go. My name is Amy Lam. I'm the business counselor. So if you actually make an appointment with Renaissance with one-on-one consultation with us, you're definitely going to meet me or Shelly. So you could actually scan our QR code, and then you could actually make an appointment to meet with us anytime on Zoom meeting or in person. So I'm going to pause a little bit to let you guys take a screenshot if you like. So we do have a missions for Renaissance is to really want to transform low to moderate income immigrant community in New York City and New Jersey with low interest small business loan program, training, counseling service. As an organization deeply rooted in the neighborhood in New York City for many years, you look at 27 years ago, since 9/11, we've been helping small business. So we have been a long time partnership with SBA, and also we actually work with CDFI, that we're CDFI, that actually, we call it Community Financial Institution. So we actually help out small business with small business loan program, and also with training and counseling with one-on-one. So we actually the approved micro lender and community venture lender for SBA Small Business Administrations. And we also want to expand it to beside New York City 5 borough over the past 27 years, we're able to help out with Long Island, Mid-Hudson County, and now in New Jersey. We service in English, Spanish, Chinese, and in Korean. We offer one-on-one coaching and resource tool personalized support to help small business address the unique challenge. As a small business owner in the past 2-3 years, it's been a challenge across the board. No matter you deal with post-pandemic or before the pandemic, it's always been a challenge. So we're here to help you with technical assistance included, but not limited to startup coaching, credit management, business operation management, and financial guidance. So we are actually the advisor for you and also resource. If we're not able to help you, we're able to see if any one of our partners could actually offer you some help. So you're not alone. So that's the most important thing. So we're here to partnership with all the small business. And if you need any help, you're more than happy to contact us. We're here to help you and also trying to help you through all of the difficult challenge, or even share your great news, any progress, any update, anything that you could actually share with us. We are more than happy to listen, and you can make an appointment to meet with us. And we also have a loan product beside our one-on-one consultation. So this is to address every small business need. So here is one of our micro loan program from SBA. The loan amount is up to $50,000. The interest rate is 8%. It's up to 6 years. The only differences on this is that this is not really for new startup. Its majority is best for existing business. So if you have existing business and looking for a small loan from $5,000 to $50,000, you could look into this loan that actually could help you. It's the #1 micro lender in the metropolitan New Jersey and New York region now in 2024. So we are definitely trying to help more small business with small business loan program. And this small business loan is for startup and existing business. Oh, it's actually for both. And actually it's for Queens, Manhattan, New Jersey, New York. The estimated time for funding is 4 to 6 weeks. You could actually process the whole application. It doesn't take 24 hours. Our loan program usually take 4 to 6 weeks going through underwriting. The use of proceeds could be for working capital, leasehold improvement, startup machinery, equipment, inventory, and debt refinancing. So it's for working capital. So this is one of our micro loans that we actually offer. And then in New Jersey, we have two loans that is very popular right now. One of them is from New Jersey State. It's called the New Jersey Capital Assets Fund Program. This fund program is up to $250,000, the maximum. The interest rate is between 8.75 to 10.75 fixed interest throughout the entire term. It depends on the Wall Street Journal prime rate. So when you're actually doing the loan closing, then you will have the exact loan percentage, that interest. So it's between 8.5 to 10.75 right now, and the term is up to 5 years. It's for existing business only, so you do have to at least 1 full year of tax return for this loan program to be eligible. And it's actually for located in New Jersey with anyone that actually have 50 employees or less, and also less than 10 million in annual revenue. So the county that we cover, as you can see on the left, we cover Bergen, Essex, Hudson County, all the way down to Warren, and also Middlesex County too. So Monmouth all cover. The use of the proceeds could be for working capital, such as payroll, supply, rent, utility, marketing, and expenses. There's a couple of the fee that we do charge, but it's very minimum. There's no administration fee. There's no early termination fee. So there's only fee that will apply will be a credit score that we do want a credit report, a hard pull credit report. And then we also register your, after you get approved, you will get registered on the UCC lien search under the federal government. So we have to register all the lender had to do that to register all of the loan under UCC. So these are the two, and then also a bank wiring fee that they do charge when we transfer the fund to your account. The time also between 4 to 6 week approval time after you submit the loan application. So this is one of the New Jersey Capital Asset Fund. The other one is actually very popular. It's for small business loan program. We get an inquiry all the time. This is for the New Jersey Small Business Loan Program. It's up to $100,000. It's 8% fixed and up to 5 years. And it's for existing and new business. So if you have a new business that's less than a year old, that we could definitely help you with this loan. It's also covered the same county as the other loan that we just introduced you to, the New Jersey Capital Asset Fund. It's the same thing with all the county, as you can see in the bottom. And then the fund is actually could be used for working capital, leasehold improvement, machinery, equipment, inventory. This one you could do debt refinancing. So this is a little bit different from the New Jersey Capital. So startup business is welcome, and also you could do debt refinancing on the small business loan program. The fee is going to be a 1.5% origination fee. There will be a third-party fee of a credit report, and also UCC lien fee and a bank wiring charges. So that is a little additional fee, but if you look at the interest rate, it's 8% fixed throughout the entire term. There's no early termination fee. So if you actually could pay off within the 5 years, there's no termination fee that we're going to be collecting from you. So we encourage that because we're non-profit, and so every fund that we actually collect back from all of the loan, we're able to lend it to another small business. So we are more than happy for you to pay off early, that we could help out another small business. So the time frame is the same thing. It's between 4 to 6 weeks of the process. So if you're looking at thinking about, maybe you need some help, or maybe you wanted to do expansion or anything like that, you could start planning early. Proactive is the key to any of the loan funds. So if you could actually plan ahead, will be very beneficial for your business. The next program I'm very excited to introduce you to is our new New Jersey Main Street Micro Business Loan Program. Again, this is for existing business only. It's for 1 year, minimum 1 year full term of tax return we do require. It's up to $50,000. It's a 5-year term. But one difference between this loan and the other loan is that you have the first year of deferred payment. So you do not have to pay for the first year. You start your payment on your second year through the last year if you get approved for 5-year term. The interest rate is 5%. So what do you do with the first year that you actually do not have to pay? You just have to join us for the technical assistant training program. So this program is actually help out all of the business for the first year that they run into maybe some challenges. We are keeping you updated with all the information. Maybe webinar we could assign you to. So it's just some sort of a training that we're gonna be assign you to. So for the first year, but the first year you do not need to pay us back until the second year. So this is a one very different program. We're excited to introduce it to you, and it's 5% interest rate. So the loan is actually for eligibility requirement is have to be located in New Jersey, and it could have to be in prefer to be in the New Jersey Opportunity zone area. And when you actually contact us and we do a one-on-one consultation with you, we will find out are you in the zone. If you're not in the zone, of course, we're still trying to help you, but it's preferences to be in the zone area that we could cover, but it's okay if you're not, but we could still have other program we could work with you. Must committed to the technical assistant program for at least 1 year, the first year. And then your operation had to be operated within at least 1 year. So you do have to have a 1 year, full year of tax return to submit with the required document. Fewer than 10 full-time employee. Annual revenue have to be less than 1.5 million. The credit score minimum had to be 600. And then currently a New Jersey business tax clearance certificate, you do need to require for that, which means you do not own any New Jersey tax. And then also there's a personal guarantee on this loan with any owner that's 20% or more on the ownership on the business. The target area, again, is the same area that we cover with some of the other program with the same county. To proceed for this loan program is for equipment, working capital, inventory, operation expenses. And any fee that we're going to be collecting is actually 1% of the total amount that we be approving. So the total amount is $50,000. 1% of it will be $5,000. The most that the $500 that most that we will be collecting from the loan. So it's going to be $500 of the administration fee. And then the approximate process time, same thing, is 4 to 6 weeks. So this is a very interesting and very new integrated, very different loan and with a low interest rate. So if anyone is interested, please contact us and we see what we can help you with. Here we go. Well, myself, my name is Amy, and then I also have a colleague. Her name is Shelly. She's also joined us today. And we actually here to help anyone that wanted to contact us for one-on-one consultation, webinar, or any of the loan program we just introduced to you. Any question if you have, more than happy to contact us directly, and we could set up a one-on-one consultation with you.